This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your MacBook has enough disk space and a supported Mac OS version. Open Safari because it's already trusted on your machine and navigate to the official download prompt. Click the download button to save the installer. This choice reduces corrupted files. Once done, check the Downloads folder. If the file is incomplete, retry with a stable Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure any corporate firewall won't block the file transfer, so the installer finishes cleanly. You open the downloaded DMG to mount the installer image. A window appears showing the Chrome icon and Applications folder. Drag Chrome into Applications. That copies the app where Mac OS expects it, and it preserves permissions. If prompted, enter your admin password. This grants the installer necessary write access. After the copy completes, eject the mounted image and delete the DMG to free disk space. Make sure to run Chrome from Applications to allow Mac OS to register it correctly and avoid security. You launch Chrome, and if you want continuity, sign into your Google account so bookmarks and passwords sync across devices. To set Chrome as your default, go to System Settings, choose Desktop and Dock, and pick Chrome under Default Web Browser. This ensures links open in Chrome automatically. If Chrome refuses to open, it may be quarantined. In that case, run a simple terminal command to remove COM. Apple. Quarantine and then reinstall. Finally, make sure Mac OS permissions for camera, microphone, or files are set if websites need them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.